Hi, welcome to the first part of this new video series, the Spur gear housing. I've already updated the PDF, the 2D PDF, because I've added here an essential dimension which I really need. That would be 193.94 for this height. So, first I want to create some planes. Let's say we start here with 0, so I need one which is 6 mm below, then one is 85 above, and then this one and one which is 6 mm below this one. I want to create one on this side, on that side, and maybe 2 or 3 here, so one for that reference here, this one and that one, same on the other side, so here, there, and this one. So let's have fun with the next one, and that would be SolidEdge 2024. Okay, let's create some planes. So where are my planes? There you go, more planes. Coincident, there you go. I need a parallel one to this one, and the distance should be 193.94 minus 6 mm. And another one. Again parallel to this one, and this would be at 193.94. Like that, yeah, that looks okay. Then another one in that direction, and that would be 12 mm. Then another one in that direction here, and this should be 135. And another one in the opposite direction. Again 135, and then one with 42.5 in this direction, 42.5, and in the opposite direction again 42.5. And I will do the other ones a little bit later. Now let's go for our first sketch, and that would be in this case on the right plane, yes. Let's zoom a little bit. I need a rectangle. Let's go for a 2-point rectangle, and that might look something like this here. Then go for collinear. There's collinear, this plane and that line, this line and that plane, this plane and that line, and then a circle. Diameter should be 600. And I need a vertical constraint. The origin here and the center of this one should be aligned. And then we need a tangency constraint between this circle and that plane here. Now let's trim. So this could be removed. Of of course, this here and that one here. Great. Close that sketch. Finish. Cancel this out. Now let's go for an extrude. That would be the sketch. Confirm. And I want to go for non-symmetric extend because I want to use those two planes. Non-symmetric from 2, and that would go from this plane to that plane. Finish. Cancel this out. Now I need a draft. So the draft plane would be the top plane, this one here. And I want to draft this side, that side, this side, and that side. And I want to go for 3 degrees. And the draft direction next would be, of course, in this direction. So that one here, but like this. And finish. Cancel this out. Now let's add the fillets or rounds. So I need a 70mm fillet on this edge here and on that edge. Confirm, preview, finish, and 2 more with 5mm, yes, on this edge and that edge here. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. And I've got my first solid here. Okay, let's hide that body here. I need a new one, so go here, go for add body. I don't want to change the name. And I want to make 2 more planes. And those 2 planes should have a distance of what's the diff? That's the 125 divided by 2, that's 62.5. So I need a parallel one to the right plane. So that would be 62.5 in this direction. And another one parallel to the right plane in this direction, again 62.5. And confirm this. Let's rename those as well. That would be 62. No. Select, go for F2. 62.5. And that one would be minus 62.5. Okay, I could move them up here, one more up there. Okay, and this one as well up to that one, just to keep them ordered. Now let's go for that extrude. This would be the sketch. Confirm, go for non-symmetric, that's okay. Go from 2, and this one would go from this plane to that plane here. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's go for a draft. The draft plane would be the top plane, this one here. All faces, this one, that one, this one, and that one. 3 degrees, that's okay. So let's confirm this. Go to the next step, and the draft direction would be, of course, like this, not like that, like this. Finish, cancel this out. Now again, 2 70mm rounds. One here, one over there. Confirm, preview, finish, and then 20mm on this edge and that edge. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. Great. Now I want to create 2 more planes. By the way, you could do this, of course, without planes, but I want to show you methods and ways to do it. So I need 2 more planes. Let's go for another parallel one. Again, parallel to the right one. Yes, in that direction. And that would be 72.5 in this direction. And another one in the opposite direction, again 72.5. Maybe rename those as well. 72.5, and that one minus 72.5. I could move them up again, just by drag and drop, and let's hide the second design body, and I will need another one, but I could hide that sketch as well, and I have to go for another body. Add body, and I need a sketch on the right plane here. Let's zoom a little bit. So I need a rectangle, maybe like that. Okay. Add constraints, collinear. Where is it? There you go. So this one might be collinear to that one, and the one on top maybe to this one. Now add a dimension. This should be 3 mm, and the distance from this one here to that line should be 43.5. Finish that sketch. Yes, looks okay. Finish, cancel this out. Now another extrude. This would be the sketch. Confirm. Still go for non-symmetric event. Go from 2, and this would go from 72.5 to minus 72.5. Finish, cancel this out. Now I need a linear pattern of this solid here, and that would be this one. I want to pattern a body. Yes, of course, that body here. Then I need a plane for that sketch. That would be best with the right plane. And did I miss? Sometimes I miss. It's rectangular, that's okay. So I need to draw that rectangle. and I want to go for not fit, fixed, 6 elements, and in Y direction just 1, and the distance between those should be 33. That should do the trick, hopefully. So let's, yeah, of course, I could go, or maybe should go, and align it. Would be a good idea. So go for collinear, maybe align this with that plane here, and I could even make a distance here from this one to that one, and that would be 43.5 plus 1.5 would be 45. So it's more aligned. Yeah. Did miss this one, but it doesn't really matter. Finish, and I've got the cooling ribs. Maybe I should edit that profile. Yeah, that should be 43.5, and somehow it looked wrong. Yeah. It's okay. Now I want to intersect this body with those bodies. So make this one the active one and show it, and then go for, should be somewhere here, go for intersect. I want to intersect this body here with this one here, and confirm. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's hide the sketch here and bring back design body 1, and that's it for the first part of the Spur gear housing in SolidEdge 2024. Hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.